welcome back to the Discount Forklift channel. My name is Aaliyah, and behind me I have Lorelei, the 3,000-pound capacity reach. She is a reach, so she does have, she can go and they extended. Her battery is reconditioned, which is really awesome. Both here on both sides of the mast, I have service stickers that show the unit has been serviced. Also, we have the red painted safety forks with the yellow visibility tips for any low areas. Before I hop on and show you this beauty drive-in, I'm going to go ahead and go through our goodie bag that every single one of our customers gets. We have a really nice octane hat. One of my favorites, it's our Do You Even Lift Bro shirt. Shows the evolution of Discount Forklift. But the most important one is going to be your maintenance guide. It has your daily, your 6-month, your 6-week, and your yearly checkoffs. And you can put all of your records right over here, and this comes with you into your goodie bag. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and hop on and show you this beauty drive-in.